Page 348, number 49, asks us to evaluate by using the period of the function. And so we're given sine of pi over 6 plus 49,000 pi. Now, we're going to use the idea that sine is a periodic function. So it is defined in this way. Sine of t, which t is a number that has been wrapped on the unit circle, is a periodic function, and its period is the smallest value where the values of sine of t repeat. So that would be one trip around the unit circle, which is 2 pi or 360 degrees. And we're using 2 pi because pi over 6 is a radian measure. So we have to figure out 49,000 pi. Is that a full period? Is it part of a period? How far around do we wrap this angle, this number t, based on 49,000 pi? So what we need to find out is 49,000 pi, or whatever the value you're given there, how is it related to 2 pi or period? And what we find out is this comes out to be an integer, which is 24,500. So that represents the number of trips around the unit circle. So we are going to go the whole way around the circle 24,500 times. So it means that what we're really looking at is that the sine of pi over 6 plus that 49,000 pi is going to have the same value as sine of pi over 6. So we're going to go around an even number of times. So the sine of pi over 6 is going to be 1/2, as we've used earlier in this section.